Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to make money buying Bitcoin on Cash App. To start, open your Cash App and navigate to the Bitcoin section. You'll find this by tapping the small B icon located in the bottom right corner of the app. This section is where you can buy, sell, and monitor Bitcoin activity. Begin by purchasing Bitcoin. Tap Buy and choose the amount you want to invest. You can enter any amount that fits your budget, whether it's $5 or more. Cash App will display the current Bitcoin price and any transaction fees before you confirm the purchase. It's important to keep an eye on these fees as they can impact your overall profits. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App account. The key to making money with Bitcoin on Cash App is understanding market trends. Bitcoin's value fluctuates frequently, and these changes present opportunities to profit. Monitor the price of Bitcoin within the app by checking the Bitcoin chart. Look for upward trends where the value is increasing steadily. When the value of Bitcoin rises above your purchase price, you can sell a portion to lock in profits. To sell, tap Sell in the Bitcoin section and choose how much Bitcoin you want to sell. Confirm the sale, and the proceeds will be added to your Cash App balance. Cash App will also show you any fees associated with the transaction. For example, if you invested $500 in Bitcoin and its value increases by 5%, you can sell enough to cover that profit, leaving the remaining Bitcoin in your account for future growth. This strategy allows you to take advantage of short-term gains while keeping your investment working for you. Remember, Bitcoin is highly volatile, which means its value can go up or down quickly. It's essential to be cautious and only invest what you can afford to lose. Use tools like Cash App's notifications to stay updated on significant price changes, which can help you decide the best times to buy or sell. Now, if you want to make serious money from the comfort of your own home, I've found a unique side hustle that 99% of people have never even heard of. You can actually turn your love of Bitcoin into a full-time business without trading any crypto and risking your hard-earned money. Click the link in the description to learn all about it.